how are you? I hope all of you are good and doing great. So in this video, I'm going to show how I have created my profile. Basically, one of my friend have asked me to just guide me that what all things I have done to create such a written in basically or a good profile. So it's not that uh, not much difficult or easy. I cannot comment on that, but yeah, it's basically when you have to comment whenever you will create any GitHub profile, means it is always blank. So if I'll go any GitHub profile, write down my let me write down. So any GitHub profile, GitHubs. So it's all very normal like that. It is there is no not as such any GitHub. I can write down top profiles basically. Not that way. So this is look like very small one. It doesn't have anything extra in this profile. You can see that. So what all things are there in like in my profile, you can say those there are a lot of icons. What is my tech stack, social, and my GitHub stats basically, since what is my stick, since how long I am every day is working like that, and total stars earned so far, how many stars has been given to me by my community or by my people, by my friends or by my followers. So this is all about this one, and what all languages and what all most used languages are here, and what all the basically contributors are there. And this is recently I have added that eating my watch my contribution graph get eaten by snake. So this is looks nice to me, that's why I have added. And this is what I have. So this is I cannot control. This is in this one. So whatever I'll this is cannot be anything that I can add up and add from my side, but yeah, on top of it I have to I can add. So doing that, not wasting much time, so you have to create a repository with your user ID first. If you'll go to my profile, you can see that this is written as mayanchuk-learning readme.md. So again, if I have to modify, I have to add something, you have to just click on here, then you can see that it is navigate to me on. And so first you have to create your repository with your name. So I hope you understand that this is what is happening. So this repositories look like this. So in this repository you have a readme file. I have added two GIF and SVG file. This is for the snake I recently done. So if I'll go to my file here, this is you can download it as a raw file and you can change it. So this the way this can be done. So if you want to change it, you can just click on here, but in your repository you have to do. So you can see that there are a lot of icons are here. Let me parallelly open my repository so that you can understand. Give me a second. So now this is basically what I am doing it here. It's look like this. So if I'll this one profile views, so for that I have added this one. So this is I have what I have done basically. I have used to see lot of GitHub's profiles and all, means I just see where I can. If you'll watch lot of GitHub profiles and all, you will find that there is a things are available over here, and you can see that okay how it has been added. Go download their readme file in their repository and then see that how it working. or you can upload into your profile and then see how it is tweaking it. So what I have done, I have downloaded someone's readme file, edit it as per my profile. So I have added, this is, if you see, there is a link as well. You can go and create link and you can test this as well. So instead of that, I just add it up here, copy this one and paste it here and add my user id, which is basically nothing but my name, my username of GitHub. Similarly, like this one is happening, welcome to my GitHub profile. So again, this is welcome to my GitHub profile. I have added the text, and then if I'll try to add a smiley over here, it can be done. So it's basically done. Let me like add this way. I've taken up this way, copy and paste it after this one. So you can see now it is welcome to my GitHub profile. After that, in a GitHub profile nothing is coming, and then let me add a plus here. So this is how it is being done. So I am doing the same thing, I just, and it is basically, there is already things are available. I just pasted this line and done that. And then we have this, hey, my name is hey, nice to meet you. So this one also similarly a text. You can just copy paste, you can write down your name and you can use it. This one is basically a pure simple text. There is some HTML text or HTML thing way you can add it. There is a div basically which is showing this image of glyphy image. You can add any image as up to you. This is basically GIF is happening. It's common in a lot of profiles. I have seen it. This is about me, so what I am working and what all things I have I'm doing it currently, I have written. So it's all customized by your way, and wherever is required I am just adding my email IDs and other things. Like this one, go to the tech stack. So you can see that every tag like Python, Java, Oracle have their own. First one is Python. So if it's like go to Python, there is after a space, one space is there. So once you will find that one space, you can see that okay, this is there, and styler and everything is same. I don't want to change anything. If I want to change any color, so I can change it. I say that this is also 5, or to make it different, I can add different colors. Let me see if I can change a color 90. So currently it is look like this. Let me see if it's how it look like. So the colors also you can see in your way in this. Okay, so this is again, every icon have their own name. You can see that anaconda, after anaconda there is a mysql, after that postgres. So postgres, you can see postgres, every icon is there. And this is all also, you can see that, go to that website and find out the badge for this one. So if you will be able to find the badge, it's fine, or there will be any gif is there. Similarly, I have added for social. I have only LinkedIn and YouTube I have added. I don't use GitHub, any other Twitter right now, or Instagram, so that's why I have not added. This is my stats. This is one of the most important thing. People think that what I have to add up here. So for this one, like my GitHub status and all these things, you can see I have added. The first 3 is basically my year of badge, repos, and the third one is comment this month. So this is basically, it's coming an undefined. I'm not sure why, but yeah, for this one, Mayanchuk's GitHub stats, there is a GitHub README Vercel.app. It's already created. I have just, what I have done, I have added my name. So once I'll add my name, it reaches to my own repository, find out that all these stats and add it up here. Similarly for the second one is also total contributors and all these things, also I have added the names. So similarly you can also copy paste and add it up here in your for the snake one is quite interesting one. For a snake I have just copy pasted this one. Yeah, top contributor. Yeah, top contributor watch. Okay, so this is basically a snake one. So here I have added a small text over here, and I have written my name, Mayank snake dot gif. Mayank snake, copy paste and put your name. Basically I have added my name, Mayank Chug, repository. So this svg and file I have added in my GitHub profile, and I have to add my repository name here. So it will take that, or you can do one thing, that if you'll go to the repository, let me save the changes so that you can see that changes are happening or not. So I have added the changes in the Python. It's the changes are very small, so it is not added. One thing I have added after this, I have added my smiley, so you can see that smiley is here. Anything else I have added which is visible? No, I have not done any changes over here. So this is how I have done that. I hope you can get the idea how what I am doing and how I am doing it. If there is any issues or anything, or any other thing anyone need, please do let me know, or reach out to me, or ask me in either in LinkedIn, or reach out to me through LinkedIn, or put the comments in the in this videos, so I can help you out. Yep, thank you very much. Please do subscribe, share, and like my video, so for these similar videos or any other videos like that. Thank you very much.